This is an example of how not to treat your sewing machine. I have never cleaned this sewing machine. It is August right now, and I bought this in March. So yeah, it needs a good cleaning. Very good cleaning. All of that build up of thread and dust, not good at all. Not good at all. But I do know that I need to keep it, you know, cleaned. What, every week or so, since I'm using it frequently. But yeah, I just started having tension issues, and guess why? Because it's filthy dirty inside. So I took everything off at the top. This is a Brother LX 2500. So yeah, it's not a normal sewing machine where you have the bobbin. You have to take the bobbin out. All the pieces. Just have to take the top piece off. But taking a cotton swab and just cleaning around and inside. And just getting pretty much all of it off. Doing a good job of getting it off. Yeah, it's a lot. It's a lot of it. All around in this mess back here. Okay, all up in the bottom piece. Let me see. Yeah, that was a lot down there. Ew. Nastiness. Get all of that up. That's some nastiness for real. Let me see if I can get that. Nice view on that. Not good looking at all. Ugh. It's gonna take a few cotton swabs to clean this. A few all up in there. Alright, I got the majority of the built up lint from the polyester I've been sewing up. And it's really disgusting. Excuse my mess over here. I'm a work in progress on being organized. It's a bit of a mess. Yes. Got some leftover scraps. Yeah. I have 3 babies and another one on the way. I really don't have time to clean up. I'm sorry. I don't. Because I got to get my sleep in too, you know. But I'm going to clean it up soon. But this is the majority of the lint. And how many cotton swabs? 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, and 7. I used 7 cotton swabs, and all this nasty mess I just got. Yeah, that's what I got. Got all that nasty lint from all the rugs I've been sewing up. So yeah, rugs and ottomans. Causing trouble for me, but not really causing trouble for me. I'm causing trouble for myself because I'm not cleaning the darn machine like I need to. So I'm gonna start doing that for real. Every week I'm gonna clean it. I don't need any more tension issues. It's really a setback for me because I could be doing other things and other projects when I'm here just cleaning up all this mess. It took me about, I don't know, 7 minutes to clean all this up, and some of the pieces I couldn't get. There's still some lint balls in there, but the majority I got out. I had to take a straight pin and get this lint ball out. So this is what they call a quilter's pin, a nice long one. I just went in and got this out. All I did was just go in through here. I was having a hard time getting out with the cotton swab because it's so thick, and I just stabbed it and it came right on out like that. But I got the majority of this mess out. People, please clean your machines or you will have a heartache like me. Tension problems are no longer there. My munchkins woke up.
I got
This is early in the morning. Say hello.
Hello.
Hey, Christian has to go wash his face.
I know it.
You know it. And here's my other munchkin. Leah, say hi. Say hi. Say, I just woke up.
We're two munchkins. We're two munchkins.
Can you hear that? Oh yeah, that sounds good.
Munchkins.
No more tension problems. Hallelujah.
Hallelujah.
Clean your machines, people.
Hallelujah.
All right, bye.